Hello, it's Mike. Just going to run through some of the taskbar options on Windows 11. So first click your Windows logo on the taskbar, click on settings, and then when that loads up, select personalisation on the left and then scroll down until you find taskbar. And this opens up all the settings. So the first thing that you can do, you can turn off some of these icons down here. So if you don't want the search option there, you can turn it off. Task view, turn that off. So there's some examples there. Turn chat and widgets off if you use them. If you want things like the touch keyboard down in the system tray, you can access these here, switch these on and off. And here we have taskbar alignment. So Windows 11 usually has the start button in the middle, but you can change it from the center to the left and have it like it is on Windows 10. If you want to hide the taskbar, select this. That will hide the taskbar and you just hover at the bottom for that to reappear. And then here select, if you select this, it removes this little line in the bottom right hand corner. And what I'll show you what that does. If you put that back on, if you click here while you've got several windows open, or any windows open, it will minimize them all. So it's just a quick way for you to get to your desktop, and then again you can click that again and it will reopen them all for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give us a like and hit that subscribe button.